Good morning children, welcome to the Narayana Life classes. Today we are going to explain about the maths revision assignment 2. The first question is, two complementary angles differ by 12. Two complementary angles are differ by 12. Then we have to find the angles. Find angles. So what are the two angles we have to find? What are the complementary angles? X comma 90 minus x. These two are the complementary angles. Difference is 12. So x minus of 90 minus x. The difference of these two angles is 12. So apply the negative sign to this. Minus 90 plus x is equal to 12. Transfer minus 90 to that side. X plus x is 2x equal to 12 plus 90. So 2x equal to 12 plus 90 as 2, 9 plus 1 as 10, 1 or 2. X is equal to 51. The value is x equal to 1. They are asking find the angles. So one angle is x, 51 there. It is coming. Other angle is equal to 90 minus x. 90 minus 51 is 39 degrees. So the angles are 39 degrees, 51 degrees. These two are the angles. And the next question is, second question is, find the value of x in the following diagram. The diagram is goes like this. A, B, x degrees, C 123. This is C. So the way we have taken. So we are finding the value of the x. In this we are having one formula. Exterior angle equal to exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Sum of two opposite interior angles. So exterior angle is 123 degrees. Out of the triangle, interior angles are x plus 56 degrees. So x plus 56 is equal to 123 and 56 transfer that side. 123 minus 56. So x value is 123 minus 56. You have to find as 67 degrees. The value of x is 67 degrees. Okay. And the next question is third one. What are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28? Sum is 58 and difference is 28. So sum is 58. Let we have to take in. Let one number is x. So sum is 58. They are given other number according to the addition. Other number is 58 minus x. 58 minus x. Sum of the two numbers is 58. We are taken difference is 28. Two numbers are x and 58 minus x difference. X minus so 58 minus x. The difference is 28 given one. So apply the negative sign. Minus 58 minus into minus plus x equal to 28. X plus x variables you should add 2x minus 58 transfer that side. It will become the plus 58. 58 plus 28. 2x equal to 86. X equal to 2 is multiplying here. Transfer that side. 86 by 2 is 43. We are finding the two numbers. One number is 43. Other number means second number. Other number is equal to 58 minus x. 58 minus already x we found 43. 58 minus 43 is 50. So the number is 43 and 50. Fourth question. The distance around a rectangular field is 400 meters. The length of the field 26 meters more than the breadth. More than the breadth, we don't know the breadth. Length is based on the breadth. Let the breadth of a rectangle is equal to x meters or x, and given one is length of field is 26 more than the breadth. So length is equal to 26 more than the breadth, x plus 26 meters. More than means x plus 26 meters. The distance around a rectangular field is, the distance around a rectangular field we are taken as this one as perimeter. Perimeter of the distance around a rectangular, the distance around a rectangular field is 400 meters. So the distance around a rectangular field is perimeter. 2 into L plus B is equal to 400 meters. So we are taken breadth of the rectangle, this is B, and length of the rectangle which is L. So 2 into L value as x plus 26, B value as x is equal to 400. So 2 into x plus x, 2x plus 26 is equal to 400. 2 is multiplying transfer that side. 2x plus 26 is 400 by 2 is 200. And 26 transfer that side. 2x plus 26 is equal to 200. Plus 26 transfer this side. 2x equal to 200 minus 26. 2x equal to 174. X is equal to 174 by 2 is 2 6 2 8 16 and 14 2 7 87 meters. We have to find the x value is the breadth, B is equal to, and L is equal to x plus 26. So 87 plus 26 130 meters. We found that breadth is the 87 and length is the 113 meters. And the last question is, and the fifth question is, a sum of rupees 500 is in the form of denominations of 5 rupees and 10 rupees if the total number of notes are 90. Find the number of notes in each denomination. Let the number of rupee 5 notes is equal to x. So 5 rupee notes, let the number be x we are taken, and the number of rupee 10 notes is equal to 90 minus x. Why we are taken 90 minus x? Total number of notes they are given 90. Total notes they are given 90. So you are taken 5 rupee notes as x, 10 rupee notes as 90 minus x. As per the number of notes. So as per the number of notes 90. By using this we are taken these two statements. So as per the problem we are taken 5 rupee notes are 5 into x number of notes are there. So 5 rupees are there. 5 into x plus 900. 5 into x plus 10 into 90 minus x is equal to 500. What there is? So 500 is there. What are those? 5 is 5 means 5 rupee notes are x, 10 rupee notes are 90 minus x. Total is 500. The equation framing is 5x plus 10 into 90 minus x equal to 500. 5x plus 10 into 90 900 minus 10 into x 10x equal to 500. So 5x minus 10x is minus 5x, and 500 minus 900 is 400, minus 400, and both sides minus you should cancel. X is equal to 400 by 5, which is 80. What is X? Rupee 5 notes. 5 rupee notes are how many are there? 80 are there. So 10 rupee notes we are finding. 10 rupee notes are how many are there? 90 minus X. So 10 rupee 10 notes are 90 minus X, which is 90 minus what the X value is 80. So 10 rupee notes are 10 are there, 5 rupee notes are 80 are there. The sum of these two is the 500 rupees. So number of notes we are finding 80 and 10. This is the, if you wanted to check this, check that. This is the maths division assignment 2. Thank you and have a nice day, children.